Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can practice live Instagram. It is super simple. You're just going to sort of scroll to the left side when you're on this home page. Then make sure you hit live if you're not there. I have mine on live instead of story, so scroll to live, select audience, and select practice, and select set audience. Go live by yourself or with others to practice. Nobody will be notified, and you can change the audience when you're ready. Select set audience and just go live. It's just going to check your connection and you are ready to practice live on Instagram. But yeah, that is basically it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!